is Robin, and I'm from Expats Finance. Today I'm going to explain how the fixation works, because in Czech Republic we typically don't have floating rate, meaning when you take a mortgage you have to decide for how long you want to fix the rate for. Right now the rates are around 5-6%, which is the highest in the last 20 years. And a lot of clients come with the assumption, I want the fixation for relatively short time, let's say 3 years, because there's expectations the rates will be lower in 3 years' time. Therefore, when the time comes, I will refinance, I will get cheaper offer. That's logical, of course, but many people don't know that you can break the fixation anyway. So consider this, you can fix the rate for 10 years, and should the rates indeed get lower in 3 years, you can still refinance. Now the downside is, right now it is for free to refinance anytime, pretty much. But there is a new update of the law which will introduce 2% early refinancing penalty, even for mortgages signed before, which is a bit funny. So with this in mind, you should consider 3 years is going to be a little bit more expensive than the 5 years fixation because the rates are 0.3, 0.5 higher. And you're counting on the fact that the rates will be lower in 3 years. The other approach is to fix the rate for 10 years and then decide when you want to quit the fixation. But then there will be a possible cost of up to 2%. So both approaches can be right, can be wrong. 3 years fixation, in my opinion, as a summary, is a little bit more expensive, and you're counting on the fact that the rate will be lower in 3 years, and most likely you will be right. However, safer approach, in my opinion, is to fix it for 10 years or 5 or whatever. Avoid the situation of counting the economy will stabilize in 3 years, whatnot, and then refinance whenever the rates are actually lower for the cost of up to 2%. I hope this was understandable. For more information, don't hesitate to get in touch.